EICMA only a couple of weeks ago, the new Suzuki V-Strom 1050 XT. Come here, you've got to feel this clutch. Come and feel this clutch. This is lovely.
There's nothing there.
There's nothing there. I love it. Clutch assist. It's really great. They brought that over from the old issue, from the old model. This is definitely the nicest colour. Harks back to the Desert Express. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. The best looking V-Strom thus far, and we've got way more details in this issue of Overland magazine. I may be pale, but that's not me in there. That is, however, the new very funky retro Glamster from Shoei. Comes in 3 different types. You've got the adventure styly, you've got the full face, and back there you've got the open face, the Glamster. 400 quid, and another 100 quid if you want it in colour. I was just checking. The new 710 CCM? Maybe, maybe not. Based on the Spitfire, who does not find this the most beautiful bike? Look at it. So the little Himalayan used to be in 3 colours, a black, a white and a sort of a grey thing. Now they've finally gone funky. Look at this. Red, and up here we've got blue. Called 500 single Fantic range, the Caballeros, the Scrambler, the Cap Racer, they're all absolutely beautiful. I'm about to take one of these for test ride, for long-term test. We'll write the whole thing up in the next issue of the magazine, and maybe you came to the event and rode one yourself, so you're slightly ahead of me. I'm always too busy at the event. I've always wanted to ride one of these. I can't wait to get my hands on it, even though it's going to be the winter.